viewers of the GameServers R'US channel. This will be the first video, and this will be demonstrating how to set up your first dark roleplay server through our TCAdmin. First, well, what you've probably already done is purchase, and you've already talked with the owner, and you've got your information to log in, etc., etc. So by now, you'll be on GameServers and when you get there, you want to go to the TCAdmin tab. It's a control panel. Just gotta wait. Okay. So now when we get here, usually you wouldn't already be logged in. So I'll just demonstrate how to log in if you're stupid. So you'll be given a name at GameServersR'US.com and a password of your choice. That's variable. Okay. Now when you get in here, there will be 5 tabs. The first one you want to go to if you're just editing the server just to get up and running is Game Servers. Now in here, there's 2 servers that you have right here. Well, I have 2. You only have one. It should be like Gary's mod, how many slots you ever bought. We want to go into there, and we want to start the server real fast. Okay. Now, the first thing you would really want to do is get the game mod installed. And since we're doing DarkRP, there's a drop-down list of things that you can install. There's like ARC mode and all the content. You need the content. There's Wire and all that. ULX, Team Fortress 2, the Counter-Strike Source and Day of Defeat content, both packs, and DarkRP. That's what we're going to be downloading or installing. And you got to add that to your server.cfg. So I'll tell you how to do that in a minute. Okay. So what we're going to do now, and it'll send you an email when it's finished too. Alright, now you want to go to command line changer. You can do this anytime, but for now you're going to press new. In here on the top box you want to tick that, and you want to tick the plus map. Leave the other ones unticked. In here you want to type in server.cfg, and the other one, this is where you type the map name. You edit this. So we haven't, when you do install the map name, you have to find out the map names by going into File Manager and the Maps folder in Gary's mod. But we're just going to use, because it usually goes on construct, so we're going to use flat grass. Just like that, and just press save. Oh, whoop. And you got to type in RP for the command line name as well. Okay. So when that's done, you should be able to go back, and you'll see that there's 2 of them. They both look exactly the same, except this one's called RP and the map's different. Okay. Now we're going to go back, and we're going to get the map packs. And this is what I meant by you got to put them in the Gary's mod folder. So you just pick any map pack. We're going to go for the RP maps, just the basic roleplay maps. You don't need to go into that too much detail. There's like all the downtown maps. Okay. I believe that should send you an email once it's finished as well, or it should just stop the server. Okay. Yeah, it'll send you an email when it's finished. So now, you want to go to File Manager, and you go to Gary's mod, and in there, well, once the thing should be finished by now, you go into the Maps folder. That's the list of all the maps that you have. There should be more in there, but yeah, the map pack's still installing. Yeah. Just refresh that and you'll probably see a couple more. Okay, so you gotta type in any of these names. So if we want to do the downtown map, you just type in RP_downtown_v2 in the field. So I'll show you how to do that real quick. Let's go back to the directory. Go into command line changer. Gonna edit the RP one, and in this part, just type in that name, RP downtown v2. with the underscores. Save that and go back to Gary's mod 2 slots, which is the directory. Now you want to go to the default config files, and inside there you want to edit the server.cfg. This is to make it so that the game mode's always on DarkRP. So now what you want to do is, when this comes up, you need to have the server.cfg. So you can get that other ways. For me, I'm going to quickly get off my other game server, just really fast. Just gotta wait. Here we go. We're just going to select all of that, copy it. We're going to go back to the other server. Usually it should be automatically installed, but yeah, you gotta conform with Mark or one of the admins for that to be put in place. Okay, but usually it would be already filled out, and your part in this pretty much is basically all you really gotta do. This should be like, yours should just look like this pretty much. You're gonna have the name of the server, which will be already in there, and the RCON password. You really gotta do. This should be like, yours should just look like this pretty much. You're gonna have the name of the server, which will be already in there, and the RCON password. You pick that, and you edit everything that you want, the prop limit. But what you need to do, so that the game mode's always an RP, is going to go into here, space forward until they're all lined up. I'm going to put in that. It's going to type in game mode override. Get all the way forward and dig it up to here, and type in DarkRP with capitals where they need to be. This will be your edit, like I said before, the prop limit, etc, etc, thruster limits and stuff. You want to save that, and you're pretty much done. Now all you gotta do now, if you want to upload custom maps, just gotta go to File Manager, and really when you do, you gotta go to Gary's mod now and go to the maps folder. But really, when you're in there, all you gotta do is place the map that you want for the server to be used on the desktop or wherever you want. Press upload and browse for it. Upload it, and then it should be finished. It'll refresh and appear in here. Then you go type the name of that map in the command line changer, as was done before. And when you want to add additional things like game mods and everything, you can do all that. You do need RSmod or ULX, one of those you can pick. You need the CSS and Day of Defeat content 2 and content, just the first one. That's a definitely need, unless you want to have errors all over your server. Team Fortress 2 and YMod if you really want, and the YouTube screens. There's some other shit that you can add, but yeah, I'm not going to go into much detail. Anyway, thanks for watching. This has been your admin Matt. This is the first video. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, and the website is www.GameServersR'US.com. To purchase, you can go into the live chat, and admin will help you out there. Alright, thanks for watching. Cheers.